Hello students, now today we will study about the first chapter of this book. Now previously we have studied that chapter that also you have to do in your notebook, right? So now today we are going to study about these are the contents of your book. Look at the contents. So Discover India, this is the first unit of this book. This unit including 7 chapters, these are the 7 chapters in this unit. So today we will study about the two chapters of this unit, traditional Indian toy craft and the second embroideries from Indian states. So these two chapters we will study today. Okay, so the first unit, two chapter we will study. So now look at the first chapter. This is the first chapter of your book, traditional Indian toy crafts. As you know that toys and games, these are the integral part of our childhood. Okay, and in our India, these toys are produced by the craftsmen, okay, and the rich culture traditions. So in this chapter we will study about the different types of toys. These are originated in the reign of which ruler and where these kinds of toys are originated. So these things we will study in this chapter. So see, number first is these are known as the Nirmal toys. Okay, so Nirmal toys is a tradition wooden craft work which originated in the Telangana state of India. So these type of toys are known as Nirmal toys and these are originated in the state of Telangana. These toys tops are colorful, vibrant looking. Vibrant means bright colors. Okay, and these are look like we can say that Jivant, these looking like that. So bright colors are here, they are very beautiful. It is said that it originated during the reign of Kakatiya rulers. Okay, so when the rulers, these rulers during that time, these type of toys were originated. The craft works are painted with Duco paints. Have you heard about the Nerolic paints? Like that, these are painted with Duco paints, which gives them a vibrant look. Means the shiny and the bright look was given by the Duco paints. Okay, so this is the first toy we have studied. What are the toys? These toys are known as the Nirmal toys. Okay. And these toys are originated in which state? Telangana state. Okay, and these are originated during the reign of which ruler? So Kakatiya ruler. Okay, and these are painted with which kind of paints which give them a vibrant look? That is Duco paints. Okay, so these all are the information regarding Nirmal toys. So I can make the questions and then you have to give me the answer. So these questions I will send you afterwards. Now look at the second one. These are the second types of toys. These toys are known as Channapatna toys. Okay, so these are Channapatna toys. These are known as Nirmal toys and these are Channapatna toys. Where these are originated from which state? From Karnataka state. Okay, so Channapatna toys, these are originated from Karnataka state. The toys are made using wood and are the traditional craft form of India. Okay, so these are made by mainly wood. So which thing we are using for making it? Wood. The origin of these crafts works can be traced back to the reign of Tipu Sultan. These toys we can say that originated during the reign of Kakatiya rulers and these were originated during the reign of the Tipu Sultan. Okay, so this is about the second type of toys. What is the name of these toys? Channapatna toys originated in Karnataka state and these are originated during the reign of Tipu Sultan. Now we are moving the next. Third type of toys are known as walnut toys. You heard about the word walnut. Walnut is the name of the tree. So maybe we can say that the walnut toys are made by the wood of walnut tree. Okay, so walnut wood toys of Kashmir are made using the choicest of walnut tree trunks. Same thing is there. So these are walnut wood toys of Kashmir and these are made by the walnut wood tree trunk. Okay, so the walnut wood gives a differentiable shine to the beautifully carved toys and dolls. So these toys are very shiny because of the walnut wood. So this walnut wood gives differentiable shine. And beautifully carved toys and dolls. Carved, you know about carved means then we can give them to the painting over the writing inscriptions over the toys. These are known as carving, we can say that. So these are beautifully carved toys and dolls, and these are made by the walnut tree trunk. And these are the mainly walnut wood toys are famous of the Kashmir. Now the fourth type of toys, these type we can say that these are puppets, and where it is found in Rajasthan. So these name is stuffed hanging cloth toys, means the toys which are made by mainly maximum using by maximum clothes. Okay, so these are stuffed hanging cloth toy in vibrant colors, right, in different and in the beautiful and bright colors. These are made in many parts of Rajasthan and Gujarat. So where these toys are found? These are found in many parts of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Now the another one is, this is the toys we can say these are bamboo toys. Bamboo toys are made in Assam, Tripura and part of West Bengal. Okay, so in this page we have studied five types of toys. Okay, these are Nirmal toys. These are originated in Telangana and originated during the reign of Kakatiya rulers. Okay, and these are especially crafted and painted with a Dupo paints. The second one is, these are Chanapatna toys. Chanapatna toys originated in Karnataka state, and these are also originated in the reign of the Tipu Sultan. Now the third one is walnut wood toys. These are mostly the walnut wood toys are famous of the Kashmir, and these are made by the walnut wood and walnut tree trunk, and these are very beautifully carved toys and dolls. Another one is stuffed hanging cloth toys. These are made in mainly part of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Bamboo toys, these are primarily made in Assam, Assam, Tripura and the part of West Bengal. So these are the five toys we have studied on this page. Now look at the another types of toys. Another one is, this is we can say that from the picture we can observe that these are made by the shell. Okay, so these are known as shell toys. Shell toys from Puri in Odisha and Puducherry in Tamil Nadu are sought means a demand by tourists and local alikes. Okay, so the maximally on which places shell toys are famous? These are famous from Puri, that is in Odisha, and Puducherry in Tamil Nadu. So Puri and Puducherry shell toys are very famous, and these are demanded by the tourist also. Okay, next this is we can see these are made by the coconut shells. Okay, so we can say these are toys. These toys are made of coconut shell, and these are popular in Kerala. Okay, another is, these toys are made by special kind of grass, that is sikki grass. So these are known as sikki grass toys. So sikki grass toys are from Bihar and are very popular as souvenirs. No? So souvenirs. So these toys are known as sikki grass toys, and these are famous. These are we can say that these are made in Bihar. Now the next one is, these are clay toys. These toys are made by the clay, and these are famous from which state? Clay toys from West Bengal and Tamil Nadu are well known to locals and tourists alike. Okay, so Tamil Nadu and the West Bengal's clay toys are very famous among the tourists. Now the next one is metal toys. So metal toys of Moradabad in UP are famous, in Uttar Pradesh are famous, popular countrywide. Okay, so these on this page we have studied about the five types of toys. 5 we have studied on this chapter and 5 are here. So number first we have studied about the shell toys. This is a famous, we can say that which place is famous for shell toys? Puri in Odisha and Puducherry in Tamil Nadu. Another one is the toys made from coconut shell are popular in Kerala. Sikki grass toys from Bihar are very famous. Clay toys from West Bengal and Tamil Nadu are well known and famous and in demand of tourists. Metal toys of Moradabad in UP are popular in all over the country. So these we have studied about the toy crafts and traditional Indian toys. Okay. Now, one of the things also you have to know about it, amazing facts are here. Ganjifa. Okay, what is Ganjifa? Ganjifa are the playing cards of India. Okay, so these playing cards, the name of the Ganjifa, these are the famous playing cards of India. This craft of India is almost dying out. Okay, so dying out means these are already, we can say that almost exist. Okay, extinct from our country, we can say that Ganjifa. It consists of our rich tradition. Ganjifas are circular or rectangular cards hand painted by artisans. There are very types of Ganjifas known as Mughal Ganjifa, Dashabdar Ganjifa, Mysore Ganjifa, Ramayan Ganjifa, to name a few. Okay, so what is Ganjifa? These are playing cards of India, and these are, we can say that, found in a circular, rectangular. These are rectangular and circular cards hand painted by artisans, and many of the Ganjifas are well known, like Mughal, Dashabdar, Mysore, and Ramayan Ganjifa. Okay, so we have finished this chapter. The questions related to this chapter I will send you in the PDF form, then you have to give me the answer. So how many types of toys we have studied here? Almost 10 types of toys we have studied, and one more thing we have studied about the Ganjifa playing card. Okay, now today also we have studied about the second chapter, which is the second chapter. Second chapter is embroideries from Indian states. Okay, embroideries, you know about kadhai, है ना? So embroideries from in which state, which kind of embroideries is famous? So we have to study here. We know that India has a rich tradition of embroidery. Okay, so various styles, various embroidery styles in various regions and various states are there. So we will study the various states, various embroideries. So first see here. In UP, which embroidery is famous from UP? Mukesh. Mukesh from UP. This Mukesh embroidery is famous. UP's Mukesh embroidery is very famous. And Kasuti from Karnataka. So Kasuti, from the name we can understand. Ka means hand and Suti means cotton. So the work that was done by hand on cotton cloth, so this is known as Kasuti. So Kasuti handwork is famous of Karnataka state. Now the third one is Kantha from West Bengal. So this work, this kind of embroideries of known as Kantha, and this is famous. This is related to the West Bengal. Chicken curry, this embroidery is famous from UP. So chicken curry is almost made in UP. Next is Ari from Andhra Pradesh. So this type of embroidery is known as Ari, and this is famous, and this is made in Andhra Pradesh. Next is Sindhi embroidery. So this Sindhi embroidery is prepared and we can say originated in which state? Gujarat. So Sindhi embroidery from Gujarat is very famous. Next is Chamba Rumal embroidery. So Chamba Rumal embroidery, this is from Himachal Pradesh. See the picture of the embroidery. If this embroideries look like that, it means it is Chamba Rumal, and it is found in which state? Is in Himachal Pradesh. Now this kind of embroidery is known as Banjara embroidery, and this is from Andhra Pradesh. This embroidery is known as Gota work. In Rajasthan this is found. So Gota work embroidery, this is found in Rajasthan. Next is this kind of embroidery is known as Kashida. So Kashida embroidery, it is famous and it is prepared in Jammu and Kashmir. Another embroidery is Full Patti embroidery. This is famous in UP and prepared in UP. Another embroidery is known as Fulkari. Okay, so Fulkari from Punjab. So this is famous in Punjab. Pipli from Odisha. So this kind of embroidery is known as Pipli, and this is found in, look like this. How we can know it? This is made like the people, leaves of people like that. So this is Pipli, and this is famous in Odisha. Next is Toda embroidery. So this is Toda embroidery, and this is famous from, this is found in Tamil Nadu. Next is this kind of embroidery is known as Jardoji, and this is found in UP. Next is Shamilami embroidery, and this is found in Manipur. Okay, so these all are the types of embroidery, different types, various types of embroidery styles. These are found in various states of our India. Okay, So these also I can make the questions. Sindhi embroidery is related to which state? You can give me the answer from Gujarat. Pipli embroidery is related to which state? From Odisha. I can make the question like that also. Which embroidery is famous of Tamil Nadu? You can give me the answer, Toda embroidery. So this kind of question I can make and I will send you in the PDF form, and then you have to give me the answer by this. Now look at the next one. Another 2, 3, 4 embroideries are there. Kuchi embroidery from Gujarat. So Kuchi embroidery also is there. This is from Gujarat. This is also famous. Rabari embroidery from Rajasthan. This is also famous. And Shisha embroidery from Haryana. So these are also common embroideries. This we have not studied, and that's why this is written in this column. Okay. So these all are the different types of embroideries. This we have studied. So we have studied the 2 chapters. Number first regarding the toys and crafts, and another one regarding the embroideries. So these two, please see the video and I will send the questions, and please give the answers of the following questions. Okay. Thank you.